Hello, this is John Donnellan with JD Website Development, and this is another Divi theme tutorial. Again, focusing on using the Visual Builder. I've got a client here who has videos embedded in their web page, and we're going to take a look at how to manage those videos using the video module that's included with Divi. So let's navigate to the page, and we will see that we've got some videos here that are embedded. Notice that we've got the video embedded, but then we also have the title in this black box underneath the video. This is actually being done with a text module so that we can get a nice looking title along with the video. So there are actually two modules for each of these. We've got the video module and the text module, and these are being divided up into rows. So let me go ahead and enable the Visual Builder. And we're going to take a look at how we can easily change out the video on the page for another one. So let's suppose this is how plants communicate and think. Let's suppose we want to change that to something different. What we do is we click on this gear, which gets us to the settings, and this is where you would paste the video URL. So now I'm going to go over here to YouTube, where I've pulled up a list of different videos, and let's suppose we wanted to embed this video, this first one in the list. We simply go to the video. It doesn't really matter what channel the video is on. This video has an ad associated with it, so we'll skip the ad. And if you click on this share link, it will give you the link to, actually they give you a copy button, so I'll just go ahead and copy the link. And then I'm going to go back to the site, and I'm going to put that link in there like so. Now what we're also going to need to do is go to the overlay and generate a new overlay for the video. Now the purpose of this is so that there is actually a JPEG static image, and that way the video does not need to load in the page unless somebody clicks on it. Otherwise, if there's not an overlay image, the video would actually be completely loading in the page, which would slow the page down quite a bit. So we're going to go ahead and generate from video, and you'll see over here it'll recreate, and then we save. And then to change the title, we can simply go in here and do another copy and paste. Copy, and then simply select that text and paste. And what it did was it took the formatting. It took the formatting also, so we don't want to do that. We want to select, then right click and put paste as plain text, so it doesn't take any formatting in with it. And now we have our video, and we've got our title, and now we can click save, and that video is now embedded and ready to play within the page. So the steps again were going to the video, getting the URL from YouTube, pasting it in here, going to the overlay, generating a new overlay by clicking here, saving, and then just typing in the new title. And if you're going to paste it from somewhere else, then you want to make sure that you right click and paste as plain text so it doesn't bring any formatting in with it. And it's that simple. Let's say we wanted to add another video here. To add another video, all we need to do is simply clone these modules. So I could clone this text module, and clone this video module, and then I'm going to need to drag them to rearrange them correctly. And now it's a simple matter of going in here and doing the same thing, clicking on this gear, putting in the URL of the video, generating the thumbnail image that's going to be on the overlay, and then typing in a new title. So it's that simple. I'm going to show you one more time how we did that. I'm undoing. And what I'm doing, I should point out, to undo, I'm simply hitting Control Z, just like you would in a word processor. It works in this visual builder as well. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to clone or duplicate my text module, and then I'm going to duplicate my video module, and it's going to duplicate it right underneath the video module. So I need to drag it down like so. And it's that simple. When I'm all finished and I have what I want, I would click on the Save button, which I'm not going to do right now because we have 2 copies of the same video. So instead, I'm going to undo and leave it like so, save, and once the save is done, I can exit my visual builder. And that's what my videos now look like on the front end. Okay? The reason we've got a little alignment issue here is because we have a long title that wrapped into the second row. If we really don't like the way that looks, there's actually a fix for that too. So while I'm on here, I will quickly show you a way that we could fix that. So I'm going to go back to Enable Visual Builder. And what we're going to do is we're going to set the text module to a specific height. So I'm going to go in here to the text module settings, and what I have to do is go in here and create some CSS and set a specific height for my module of about 40 pixels. Looks like it's going to be 50 pixels. So I just set height colon 50 pixels, save. Now I'm going to copy the style and paste it to my other text modules, and it's going to bump each of them to 50 pixels, making them all the same. Now obviously if we had a text module that, or a title that went into 3 rows, which is be pretty unusual because this is even pretty long, we would have to address that. But that's a quick fix, and I'll go ahead and save that. And the nice thing is, now that that's saved, when I duplicate my module, I won't have to worry about it because it's already in there. So it's something that you won't have to do again. But that's a quick fix for you. Alright, again, John Donnellan, JD Website Development, and this has been a tutorial on managing your video module along with a text module for the title using the Divi Visual Builder. Thank you.